The X-61A is the pinnacle of DARPA's Gremlins program, a low-cost, recoverable UAV designed for mass deployment, swarm operations, and mid-air recovery. Built by Dynetics, a Leidos subsidiary in collaboration with Kratos and several specialist partners, it aims to revolutionize distributed aerial operations by launching and retrieving multiple drones from a mothership aircraft, typically a modified C-130, then refurbishing and relaunching them within 24 hours. Triangular ruler design and specifications. Size and airframe. 4.2 m long, 3.47 m wingspan, weighing 680 kilograms. It uses a Williams F107 turbofan, allowing speeds up to Mach 0.6. Payload flexibility. Features a modular bay carrying up to 65.7 kilograms, electro-optical infrared sensors, electronic warfare modules, SAR, laser designators, or kinetic weapons. Endurance and range. Capable of 4 hours loiter at 25 nanometers radius, or 1 hour at 300 nanometers radius. Gear launch and recovery system. Air launch. Deployed from C-130 via wing pylons or rotary launcher, seamlessly transitioning to powered flight. Autonomous docking and recovery. Equipped with a probe and drogue-like system GADS for mid-air recovery into a C-130, after mis-recovery attempts, it uses parachutes as a backup. Recent breakthrough. In October 2021, 2 X-61As were successfully recovered mid-air, a first in the program's history. Direct hit performance and testing. Flight tests. Since November 2019's captive flight and January 2020's maiden free flight, 5 X-61As have logged 11 hours over 5 flights. Initial chute failures sacrificed one unit, but others performed reliably. Docking attempts. 9 docking attempts in late 2020, coming within inches of success. After iterative refinement, 2 successful recoveries were achieved in 2021. Reload and relaunch concept. Future visions include in-air reloads of payloads or drones within the mothership, potentially launching multiple swarms back-to-back. White heavy checkmark. Strengths and potential. Cost effectiveness, designed as attritable assets, cheap enough to risk, but recoverable and reusable. Mission agility, modular payloads allow ISR, EU, decoy, or even strike roles, adaptable per mission. Force multiplication, enabling 4 to 8 drone sorties from a single mothership, amplifies capability while reducing logistical burden. Mid-air recovery, demonstrated success, marks a major innovation in UAV operations. Warning: challenges and limitations. Real-world readiness, still in experimental phase, no operational deployment yet. Final goal: recover 4 drones in under 30 minutes. Technical complexity: autonomous docking remains difficult, though recent wins show progress. Deploying in contested airspace may compound challenges. Scale and sustainment: demo unit count is small, 5 built, with future scaling dependent on funding and transition to production. Crystal ball outlook for 2025 and beyond. As of mid-2025, the X-61 program stands at a transformative juncture. Proof of concept is achieved, and DARPA and Leidos Dynetics are pivoting toward operational scalability. Upcoming phases likely include enhanced payload integration, swarm autonomy, in-flight reloads, and full-scale logistical trials. If funded and successfully transitioned, the X-61 could become the template for future drone swarms operating from aerial carriers, ushering in a new era of distributed air warfare. White heavy checkmark. Final verdict. The X-61 Gremlin is a game-changing R&D platform. While not yet operational, its cutting-edge capabilities, recoverable swarms, modular gearing, and rapid reusability offer a glimpse into tomorrow's aerial combat architecture. The proven mid-air recovery sets it apart from conventional UAVs and makes it a high priority next for defense acquisition. Its success in 2025 marks a milestone, but scaling to a fleet-ready capability will be the true test.